This is my first fully original Lego puzzle. I've made a few before, but based on other ideas that I've seen, this one is fully an original concept. As you can see, it's 3 small puzzles put into one, connected back here. If you try to pick it up, it stays together, but it does do that, but it will not come apart. The goal of this puzzle is to get this block out, not by forcing it out or shaking it. No shaking, forcing stuff, removing pieces that shouldn't be removed, that are still attached. Just, like if you see something attached, don't just pull it off. It's not gonna, that's not helping.